Ashe, y'all, it is mangogemm. Welcome back to the channel. So today, when I woke up, I was talking to one of my good friends. Shout out Tata, come on now, period. Let me get some water. And when I was talking to Tata, we was talking about Tata was telling me that they was going to the botanica or whatever. Like, they were just taking a trip to go to a spiritual shop. And I was just like, okay, so Mango didn't want to go to a spiritual shop. No. Tata lives in another state. We ain't gonna give all the tea. I'm in this state, so we can't go to the botanica together or the crystal shop together, spiritual shop together. But I was just like, yeah, let me go ahead go to one in my city because period. Right now, I am exporting a tarot reading that is going up today. Not all that noise being made while I'm trying to do my thing. Filming, baby. Listen. I love it. Okay. And yeah, I'm just gonna take y'all along with me as we go, okay? My birthday is also coming up and it's Virgo season, so period. So I just wanted to treat myself. I'm running low on herbs. I have not had lavender in a long time, so we got to go get it, okay? And if I see some other things like incense and things like that, I'm definitely gonna get that too, period. But yeah, I just want y'all to come along with me, so let's get it. Let's go.